back in the garage with your boy. Corbin blew up his tires. I think we already filmed that. Got some new ones. Got some Toyo Boyos. And as you see, there are 6 because I've also got 2 for myself. Because the front tires of my Colt were bald pretty fast. But anyway, what we're doing today, I have an anti-roll bar for the Subaru, which is not on the Subaru, but should be on the Subaru. Because right now it has a lot of grip, but if it loses grip, it only understeers. I want it a bit more balanced. So the last time we checked underneath the car, we couldn't see any mounting points for the anti-roll bar, but I talked to Anko at GT Speedworks and he said the mounting points should be under there somewhere underneath a little rubber cap. So we're gonna find out how to mount it, and then we're gonna hopefully clean up the roll bar a little and see if we can install it maybe. Maybe it'll be next time, maybe it'll be now, but we'll have a look.
Sounds like a plan.
Well, it's barely a plan, it's just we'll see.
Okay.
What happens.
Let's go.
Alright. Trying to figure out where this goes. So obviously this here goes over the exhaust, somewhere around here. Because it goes like that. I think it mounts here, maybe? Well, this is at an angle, which doesn't make much sense. Don't understand. Alright, after doing a bit of research, we found out that we are missing 2 little brackets. We looked at this Mighty Car Mods video where they fixed up that cheap WRX. Right there, there's a little bracket. And I think I need something like this. This is for a later generation WRX, but it's something like that. So that should fit onto these mounting points over here. There's a little rubber cap there. There's a bolt here. Take this off and that should fit it. So we won't be able to fit the sway bar today, but we can at least clean it up a little because it is rusty and crusty. So we'll start doing that. Right, Corbin? Yep. So yeah, I gotta source 2 of those brackets. But now at least we know what's wrong. Yes. Alright, so Anko from GT Speedworks has the brackets that we need. So I'm gonna order those. We can't install the sway bar today, but what we can do, we're out here doing this kind of thing. So not that interesting, so cut to whatever we're doing next time, I guess. I'm back at the garage working on the anti-roll bar or stabilizer bar or sway bar or whatever you want to call it. Last time I spent quite a lot of time getting all the rust off and giving it a layer of paint, but it's still a bit thin in places, so I'm gonna give it another layer. But today I'm also gonna be working on the brackets, getting some of the rust off and also giving it a layer of hammerite, because hammerite apparently is good for rusty stuff. I don't know where I put the can. So yeah, this should be tough enough to withstand all the crap. Alright, I've cleaned up the brackets. At least they're clean enough to put on some hammerite. So now I'm gonna clean them up a bit with brake cleaner and put the first layer of paint on. So yeah, now it's just a whole lot of watching paint dry. So I've got a heater fan set up. To hopefully dry it a bit faster. So yeah, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna do that off camera. So see you in the next bit or video or whatever. Alright, I'm back at the garage and I've got a whole bunch of hardware for the anti-roll bar that's over here, that after quite a while it's properly dry. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can install it. I'm gonna jack up the car, look under there, see what I can do. It is really cold in here. I'm not sure if you can see that, but I can see my own breath. I've got a little space heater that will hopefully stop me dying from the cold. But anyway, let's jack up the car and get started. piece of cardboard so I don't have to lay on the floor. Because even just a little piece of cardboard like that will make it way less cold compared to laying on just a concrete floor. So step one, figuring out where these brackets go. Should be somewhere around here. I think it's that and this. Or is this? I think it might be this. Anyways, I'm gonna figure out where to exactly mount this. Oh, that's easy. Let's see if we can get the other one. There we go. They look pretty crusty, so I'm gonna see if I can clean them out a bit. Okay, I sort of cleaned it out a bit as best I could. So let's install this. Okay, this sucks. Yeah, so these holes are actually bad enough that I am gonna just tap this one out. Try and make this one a little bit better. As you can see, I can't get a full rotation here. I'm gonna have to do it the very annoying way.
2,000 years later.
Okay, it took me ages, but the bracket is in on the right side. So now I'm going to do the left side, which is a lot easier because there's no fuel filler hose in the way. Alright, so these are the kind of moments where you think to yourself, why am I doing this hobby? I've been here for more than like 3.5 hours. I've only barely gotten 2 brackets in because I had to tap out the holes. Could barely reach the one in the back. And it's cold as f in here. I hate this. God damn it. So now I've got this guy, which apparently goes here. It seems I'm missing a bolt or something. Something needs to go in there. Oh yeah, I forgot. The anti-roll bar has to go over the exhaust. So I'm gonna have to remove the exhaust, well, the muffler first. It's gotten quite late. I'm probably gonna remove the muffler next time when the other guys are here as well. And yeah, hopefully the rest of this will be a lot easier. It should be, because it's just all new bolts and nuts. Alright, we have coffee. We have a heater. Don is dribbling. And Corbin and I are gonna see if we can get the muffler off. We've unbolted the muffler on that side. Corbin is using the pliers thing to undo the muffler rubbers, I guess. There we go. Maybe, I think.
Not yet.
Almost.
Need to shimmy more, man.
Shimmy. There we go. It's
Nice.
loose, yeah.
Oh, you got a special.
Yeah, because
Wires
Corbin's muffler
Seriously.
rubber.
Whoa, so you do have a
tool
proper
thing.
tool for this? I
Yeah.
just thought it was grab a fucking
No.
screwdriver and fuck it up till it's
That's
open.
what we usually do.
Yeah.
But that takes
Okay,
30
Corbin,
minutes.
come on. Bench press that shit.
So now we can see how the anti-roll bar goes on there. So this sort of goes.
Oh, well, you have proper brackets here, so.
Yeah.
It needs to go in here or what?
Yeah. Well, there's extra brackets on here.
Oh. Why didn't you do this beforehand?
Dan, don't ask these complicated questions.
Oh, okay. And these nuts.
Yeah.
These nuts. Quality content, only with Greenhouse Garage.
Wait, what the f? It's completely wrong.
What?
It's completely mirrored. Hold it, take it off.
What is wrong?
This goes like this.
Oh, nice.
And then the other way around.
Where does this need to go anyway?
It needs to go like this.
Oh, it needs to go here. Ah, now I get it.
Oh, f***.
I have mine.
Why is
Where's the light?
Where's
Jim,
God damn it.
can't see shit.
Yeah, me neither.
Yeah, why did you put the light out?
I don't know.
Put the light on.
Just put the nuts and the bolts.
Yeah, which ones? The ones I have here.
Yeah. Once you're laying on. And then this one goes in there.
And that has no cap.
No cap for real,
No
for real.
cap. 6, 7.
We're just... We are cooked.
What do we need to do with this one?
There's a plastic thing that goes between here.
Dam's gone to the hardware store to get some bolts for my car, because the ones we have here aren't long enough. So hopefully he has found a longer bolt for us. And if not, we're gonna have to postpone this even more. Alright, we're back from the store and we actually have more bolts. The bolts that Dan got are too short, so we went back to the store and got longer bolts.
I got the size you asked me.
Well, not really, but... So let's get to work on putting new bolts in and hopefully get this... And hopefully actually get the sway bar in and actually do something useful for once. Corbin is already dying. As usual. Yeah.
Okay. So this new bolt is long enough. So now the question is this supposed to be like this down or the other way around? So I'm gonna look at what Mighty Car Mods does. You can see it quite clearly on their videos. All we need to do is this. So this bar and this needs to go up here. So we need to loosen this, make sure the bar is, we can get it up here, and then we need to link it up. So yeah, easy fix, I guess.
How is this ever gonna work? There's some nuts sticking out.
Yeah, I need to redo that. I just put it back so I don't lose it.
Oh, okay. Shit. This is the banana. Jim was gonna
Banana.
say. Banana.
Corbin's side.
But how's the bracket ever gonna be on the other side at this moment?
What?
Can you ever get it past here, Jim?
It's gonna link up
Oh,
here.
up there.
Yeah,
Ah.
that was where we were wrong. This.
Okay, yeah, makes sense. So did we fix it?
Yeah, now we just bolt this in place.
Great.
Right.
It's not fully tight, but
So I guess everything's in place, and now we just tighten it. Oh wait, that's for the bolt on the top, Corbin, here. The nut, I mean. On the banana. We put the muffler back on, and even with all the setbacks and nonsense, the empty roll bar is finally in. I guess that's a success, and next time we'll do a test drive. We'll have to quickly finish this up because we've got a rehearsal in like an hour. Alright, let's take some corners, see how it feels with the new sway bar. Still understeers, but not as bad as before. I could feel the backsliding out a little as well, and it didn't used to do that. So I think it is a bit more balanced, yeah. We made it back to the garage. I had to do a like 20 million point turn to get it in here because this truck's in the way, but we made it in. I noticed a bit of a difference in the driving, but it is wet out and quite busy, so I couldn't do much. But yeah, I did notice a slight difference, so that's nice. When it's dry out and I can really stretch the Subie's legs, hopefully I can really tell the difference. But for now, yeah, I noticed something, so that's a win, I guess. Corbin?
yep. Feels nice for me as a passenger, so.
Alright, see you in the next video.
Bye bye.